Hello students, welcome, and in this video we will discuss IELTS writing task 1. The question states, the graph below gives information about changes in the birth and death rates in New Zealand between 1901 and 2101. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. The heading of the graph is birth and death rates in New Zealand. On the x-axis, we have the years spanning from 1901 to 2101 with a 20-year gap. So it is 1901, 1921, 1941, 1961, 1981, 2001, 2021, 2041, 2061, 2081 and 2101. And on the y-axis we have birth and death rates in thousands. Okay, so let's begin. So firstly we have to paraphrase the topic. Okay, what is the main introductory statement? The graph. Okay, so we can say the graph showcases the dynamic shift in birth and death rates within New Zealand spanning from 1901 to the projected trends extending to 2101, because we are projecting the future. Okay, right now if you look at the graph, we are in between 2021 and 2041. Okay, so we are projecting beyond the current year we are living. Okay, now next comes the overview. In general, the trajectories what the graph is showcasing, okay, reveal the likelihood of the death rate eclipsing the birth rate. Eclipsing means it will become bigger than the existing thing. Okay, so death rate have eclipsed means there are more death rates than birth rates. Okay, around the year 2041, ultimately culminating. Culminating means to reach the highest point. Okay, it has reached the highest point, ultimately culminating in a reversal of the two rates during the latter stages of the century. Okay, in simple terms it means that the death rates will be bigger and the birth rates will be smaller, so there will be more deaths and less births. Okay, now in body paragraph 1 we can say, over the examined period commencing starting in 1901, the birth rate consistently surpassed the death rate. Okay, surpassed means is more, birth rates are more than death rates. Commencing at 20,000 births. If you look at the graph, you will see that the starting point of the birth rate is at 20,000, and surging means it has elevated, increased to 66,000 in 1961. Subsequently, it has fluctuated between 65,000 and 50,000. Fluctuating means it has moved from 65,000 and 50,000 in that range, and will gradually descend to approximately 45,000 births by 2101. Descend to means it will fall to. Okay, now comes body paragraph 2. Conversely, the death rate started below 10,000 and has exhibited a steady increase in the contemporary era. Contemporary era, modern era. Okay, it is anticipated to accelerate. It will move forward, notably from 2021 to 2051, where it is expected to plateau at approximately 60,000. Plateau, it will flatten before experiencing a marginal decline. A marginal decline means small decrease by 2101. Okay, so this was writing task 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button